For me, the in for generations was the mysterious recipe that I got from my grandma that's been handed down. And the fact that it's named something, it's named Floating Cafe, and it really is a non sequitur to what's being made. I felt like the title of the recipe carried into my work. Then I used imagery that kind of reminded me that would have like dual meaning towards me growing up, or just familiar images that could create the same feeling, same mysterious feeling that I had getting this recipe and enjoying the dessert that she made. My work is achromatic. It's meant to be a little bit mysterious in the way that it draws you in. It's not really meant to offend in a way, but I think it's meant, I make it in a way that it's visually striking and that you can get more out of it every time you look at it, or the closer you look at it. I keep my mediums really concise and clear, so I only use a few so I can get the point across a little bit better. Basically, the way I create them is I start off with really small sketches, and then I digitally project them onto the wall and paint them. So I'll trace them out and then paint inside the lines. And there's a lot of, I think, meaning for me subconsciously that I don't really know, but doing the work is a huge part of the process, and actually making the piece and having it take time, and then having it be kind of like a full thought towards the end of it. The purpose of my work is for myself, but if people want to ascribe things or get something out of it, or even just enjoy it for what it is, I think that's my main point. I don't really feel like art should be exclusionary to the sense that you can't enjoy it from any perspective. So I think I kind of try to put my own meaning in it for myself, and then let it be for other people too.